you everything, but I can cut on anything, every word that you say to me was a potion in my ears, and my eyes doesn't realize that you went from the right path. We were not in the same round. What I have to do if I can't forgive you? What I have to do if I can forgot you? Oh, sometimes it's so hard to find with your own mind. Sweet smoke, well, blowing in my face. So beautiful the way you play a soft sorrow that made my reason that it was like a playing chess, yes, and you always ask first why. Oh, you were my favorite song, but I couldn't know that I was a repetitive if I can't forgive you. What I have to do if I can forget you. Oh, sometimes it's so hard to find with your own mind. What I have to do, what I have to do, what I have to do if I can forget you. Oh, sometimes it's so hard. Consistent being free, in the sense of being in the right degree, the satisfaction of knowing say sorry, even in the grace to rectify. You agree, so please leave these little ways that make the bell ring. I think I have enough knowing to understand this. Will you ever feel the same as me? I will live in my dreams, cause everything could be. I felt you like another partner who knew about disasters, cause your eyes had seen a lot of stolen mothers. The sensation of passion was flowing through my head as a river of deceptions. You were the one who made me get lost into the worst temptations. Anything can make disappear all the feel that I feel since to know that you were near. What I have to do, what I have to do, what I have to do, if I can forgot you. Oh, sometimes it's so hard. Sometimes it's so hard to find with your own mind, with your own mind.